up, guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We're doing a mod that I've been wanting to do on my Celica GTS for a long time. Since I got this car. I've had this car for like almost 3 months already, 2.5 months. Crazy, time goes by quick. Since then, we've done quite a few mods. We've done the short shifter, we've done the shifter install, we've done the new wheels, we've done the new lug nuts, we've done the spacers. We got rid of the stickers on there. We got a dyno on there. LED tail lights, new tail lights, new headlights, LED license plate lights, carbon fiber frame, just tons of mods. Quite a few, actually. I'd say quite a few. We've done a lot. But one of the ones that I've been wanting to do is get rid of the front side markers. So I went to my website and got my own side markers from MITCHDORE.COMHOW, and I went to my website and bought my own LED side marker lights. All these are gonna be available on my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW, swing by there. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna install those today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to. So I'm gonna show you the first things that you need to do. It'll come with instructions. I'll show you the yellow ones, and then I'll show you how to, and then we'll do a nice cinematic edit at the very end of the video. But make sure to hit the like button for this Celica content. Let's jump on it. So if you order the side marker lights, they work with the OEM set of the amber ones, and then if you want the JDM Supra style side markers, the JDM Celica, very, very aesthetic. Look at these, they're very cool. JDM, but they're smoked black. These are awesome. Swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW and grab these. So the first things you'd get, these are sold in different packages. You can get this one, or you can get this one, or you can get this one and this one. Most people get both of them at the same time. But that being said, I'm going to show you, you're going to have to do a little bit of modifications, or I can do it for you. All you'd have to let me know if you want me to do it for you. But the first things first is you got to make sure that these fit properly on the Celica GTS. Here is the OEM original amber. I don't find it very aesthetic. It doesn't look very good. It's just round. This one's actually broken, believe it or not. It's chipped. This is even on the Tsunami edition, this fits. So this fits all 2000 to 2007, or the last year that they made Celicas. And then all 2000 to 2006 or 7 MR2 Spyders. It fits all the bumpers. So all the American version ones, or if you have a European one, anyone that has a side marker that looks like this, these fit this. So the first things we're going to do is I'm going to actually show you how to remove this one. It's really simple. All you have to do is remove this little fender liner, and then reach your hand back here and then do lefty-loosey on some 8mm. This is a very, very easy job. So 2 screw and bolts right here, 10mm. I did one right here with this lower plastic. You guys see that? Separated the fender well. So I did the lower fender wheel, and then I did this one right here, and it pops right off, and then you have access to see those 8mm, and we're gonna take those off right now. There's 2 of them. Okay, so it's out. So it was sitting just like that, and then you pull it out. So there's 2 8mm. These are what the 8mm washers look like, washer and nuts. You're gonna wanna keep these. And then behind here, I'm gonna pull this out so you guys can see. This is the wire that's connected. See that right there? You're gonna pull this out. This is a very easy job. Literally just wiggle this thing out like that. We're gonna disregard this. We're gonna put an LED in here, and then we're gonna clean this surface area so it's really nice. And then we're gonna install the JDM Supra Celica side marker. That looks super good on this, amazing. We'll put it on here from MITCHDORE.COMHOW. So let's go ahead and, I'm gonna show you the one little difference. Back in the garage, here are the LEDs, much brighter. There are 3 points of LEDs on them, very, very blue, very like bright white, very aesthetic. Here's the incandescent, yucky old one, so we're gonna discard that. Okay, so here is the one that we pulled off from the driver's side. So we're gonna set this one aside. This will be the driver's side right here. If you flip it over, and you kind of put these kind of how they, side by side, how they align, this is how it'll sit in there. So there's these little extra tab, you need to cut that off right there, and then there's these little nubs right here and right here. You have to remove those to get a perfect fit. And then once you do that, it'll fit right in. We can actually remove this right now. We'll remove the 2 stickers, and I'll show you what the end product looks like. Okay, so this is the modified one. All I did was take that and made it level, and then here is the non-modified one. You guys see that little bevel up there? So I cut that out. In addition to it, I leveled this lower part back right here. Why do you have to do this? Because this is how it'll make it fit. Now, let's go back out to the car. So here is the LED. We're gonna put the LED in. I'm gonna make sure it works. Make sure to put it in. Also, there's a little rubber seal on these from factory, so no water should be able to get into the new side marker. Okay, you guys can see now I'm using that little cleaner with my microfiber again from my website. So I'm getting all that debris. I want a nice, clean, beautiful aesthetic. No dirt, no grime between any of this. This is a nice car. I want it to be treated perfectly. All right, once I get this super clean here, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. And before I do that though, let's make sure this bulb works. Okay, so we've plugged it in. Perfect tight fit, it locks right in. But we did remove that. Why did we remove that little part? Because this plastic will hit it and won't let it to buckle in. So we trim that. Then we trim this little part right here, so that when it fits up in here, it fits flush. The last thing that I didn't mention to you guys is that you gotta take, you can do clippers, or you can take a serrated edge and just serrate this. So literally it looks like this. You just take that little piece out, and then it allows this backing right here to sit flush in there. And then check this out. Look at that, perfect. Look at that fit, it is so perfect. Now that we have it in there, you can go in, you can go out, it's perfect. It's sealed, no water will get in there. We have that amazing look. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Let me go get the 8mm and tighten the nut and washers back up. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, it's in the small details. Look how much better that looks. Wow, wow, no more amber. Small details. So that's a perfect flush fitment. No gap, no nothing. It looks amazing. Wow. That's how you get those on there perfectly. Will never come off. You go as fast as this car will go and they're not gonna come off. It's an OEM fitment. You just gotta do slight modifications. I'd say this is like a 1, maybe a 2-star. Literally super simple. Step by step. So this is a video. So this is the old, dated, broken, doesn't fit the scheme of the car at all. That's what takes your attention out of the whole car, is that dumb little side marker. This is fast looking, aesthetic, clean. I think it looks good with the LED on and with the LED off. Let's turn the LED off real quick. I think it looks just as good with the LED off. And it's not a circle, it's a fast, sharp angle with poke. It makes the car, with that tsunami right there, oh, that is good. That right there could be a thumbnail. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this onto the other side. Yeah, what a difference. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've done the passenger side. Again, make sure you have the LED. Look how bright that thing is. Make sure you have it plugged in right. It should be a no default, so it should work either way, but just make sure it works on yours. It means that whatever way you plug it in, it should just go on. And then also make sure that you cut this little nook right here. And then once you have that in there, we'll grab this side marker and we'll buckle that in just like that. And then I'll do the 8mm and we'll call it a day. All right, so engine started. Let's go do a nice edit. Oh, I'll get the front end, I'm excited. Remember, we're getting rid of this exhaust. This will probably come this weekend for me. Be next week sometime for you guys. I'm also gonna be doing some lowering springs real soon. So let's go ahead and jump out of here. Okay, so after finishing this project, we have a huge problem. I can't tell if I like it with the LEDs on or with the LEDs off. I can't tell, I like it both. I mean, that looks really good rolling down the road. Look how good that is. That's just the daytime running right there. But this car looks like an action Hot Wheel perfect gunmetal. This looks like a Gundam something. Look how perfect that looks. I think that's my favorite. Those side markers look so good. On this paint color, I thought it looked good on red. No. Thundercloud, this looks better. That's the best looking corner of a Celica EVORA I've ever seen in my life. That is, I can't, that's the best looking corner. Right there. As soon as I get the blacked out fogs down below, that's it, we're done. That is so aesthetic. Oh, and I have a lip coming too. I'm gonna do a lip, but wow. I love the wheels too. I think the wheels are good. The car just needs a little bit lower. But what a build! What a build! This thing's come together so well. Wow. So if you want a set of these, swing by my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. Grab a set of these, grab a microfiber, grab the LEDs, grab a TRD badge, whatever you need, swing by there. I got some Lotus parts on there for sale, so if you're a Lotus owner, swing by there, grab some of those. Or if you just want them as collectibles, swing by, grab them. Yeah, so that's how you install those. I hope you guys like that. Make sure to hit the like button. Wow, wow. I think what I'm gonna do is actually put the cinematic, I can never say that. Cinematic intro, I'm gonna put that at the very beginning. The edit, I'm gonna put it at the beginning. I think it was so sick. Again, make sure to hit the like button, guys. Have a great weekend. We'll be back with some more Pexi exhaust that's coming soon. I'll see you on the next video.